Hi everybody, today is little Amaya's feed time. So I thought that I would, you'd think that she's well aware that there might be some tucker. Absolutely, there is. So she'll have two of those little hopper mice, because hopper rats actually, because she's, well, probably next feed she's going to get a weaner. So I'll give her, she's had one lot where she's had two, and this is her second time having two. So now she'll go up to having a weaner. So she's pretty good. She's a good little eater, this girl. So I'll be back when she decides to munch that down, and I'll get the second one going for her. And I do have Lily to feed too. So, as you know, you never know what you're going to get with Lily. So I'll be back later. Okay. Here comes number 2 for Amaya. She'll be well aware that there's a second one coming there for her tonight. She gets it right on the head too. She rarely ever lets go, and then tries to find the head. And I guess that I've always done that with Amaya right from word go, is just due to her funny eyes and how I think she sees things. She's often just completely missed that rat so many times that now I just kind of put it to where I know if she strikes out, she's just going to get it right on the head, and I think it just makes it much easier for her. So anyway, that's Amaya done, and I'll do Lily later. Yeah, and I'll just let this girl enjoy her little meal tonight. Well, thus far. She's going to pull it over over the side there of that hammock, or maybe not. I don't think she'll be able to fit down there with that, with her whole body and the rat in her mouth. She's just using the back wall as a support for her, by the looks of it. Oh no, there you go. She's going to pull it all the way and eat it that way. See, she doesn't want us watching her while she's eating. That's what it is. Being very private about it. Okay, I'll be back later with Lily. Well, I offered Myra a rat last night. Well, a weaner rat, and she was not interested in it. And I don't even, she's kind of tucked up in that, in this log thing. So I can't even see where her head is at this particular point. I will try and move. Oh, there's a little head coming out. And I will see if she's wanting to take a mouse. Well, there you go, guys. She's happy to take a mouse and not a rat. So I'm glad I put 2 extras in there, because of course Maya will eat 2 of those little mice, and Lily of course has got 8. So yeah, there you go. She didn't want a rat, she wanted a mouse. and you know, fine by me. It's no big deal, Maya choosing him to eat mice at the moment rather than eating a rat. I'm happy with that. So well, you can't really see her because she's hidden down there, but she grabbed it. So she's obviously hungry, and that should, 2 of those should fill a little belly for now. I might even give her 3, guys, because they aren't really that big, and she would normally eat an extra large wiener. So maybe 3 mice might be what she'll be needing, and I'll just have to get another one out for Lily. So that's good. That's Amaya, and you know, Maya's going to eat, and of course then Lily will eat tonight. So I'll be back again. Okay, second one for my little girl. You're going back in there. You're going back into your little thing there. You're gonna come and eat this? Come on. Turn around. Come back the other way. You gonna come back? She says, oh, well, I'm in, and now I've got to go all the way in and kind of do a turnaround, Mum, to get back out. So, just waiting for the return. Come on, bub. Wherever you are. I might actually, if I can hold the camera, I might turn this around so she can have a little bit of a space there, actually. Oh, it doesn't really make much difference, I don't think, to her, but she hasn't got to outweigh. There you go. There you go. She's found her outweigh. I'm all the way over there. There she is. And she spotted the mouse. And you just might see her. Oh. Are you ready? You ready? It is a mouse. Very, very gently done. Oh, you can't see her anymore because she's gone back in behind the plant there. But yep, she's got it. I can't see her. I don't know if you'd be able to see her. But there we go. That will fill her little belly for now. So yeah, like I said, it's been over actually 3 weeks since my 8th. So I'm guessing that is kind of how it's going to be for the girl over the winter. And wow, there's Miss Lily there. So maybe I'll start putting some mice in front of her, seeing as she's looking rather active. Well, not active, but you know, she's in that mode of wanting to come out. Well, what am I turning around for? I don't know why, guys. It's later in the day. Still not pitch black. Not that you can see much out that window, can you? Not exactly. Well, it looks pitch black anyway. And all you can see is reflection pretty much back into this room, but it's getting dark. Getting darker. So I'm going to go and get Lily her first mouse. and yeah, get her going on her meal for the evening. Do you like that? You know what I mean. It's her time to eat. So I'll be back. Okay, Lil. I'm coming. I'm trying to get there for you. Okay? So, give me a second to get that door open for you and hand you this mouse. Okay? You right? Yes, she says, I've got it, Mum. All's good. Oh, you want me to let go? You right? All's good? Yeah. All's pretty good. She's spread from one end all the way to the next end tonight, rather than being curled up here in a hammock and eating this way. She's the other way. So yeah, loves the mice. Would be better if she loved rats, but she don't. So I just gotta live with the fact that she's a mouse eater. This girl, and it seems that of course Maya has decided to become one of those herself. So I'm going to go and check on Maya, because she might be ready for her next little mouse as well. So yeah, I'll let Lily eat that one. Okay, she's decided to go in that high box rather than back into a little log. And why do I drop it? Because these aren't clickable. These tongs, like the ones that I used to feed Lil. So I'll just see if she decides that she'd like to have a third at all. Just have to hold it very still for her to put a mouth around it. It's not a snatch and grab. For Maya, it's just a very gentle eat, and very hard with that red light just shining dead on, but yeah, she's gonna take that into this little high box and eat it up tonight. Plenty of room in there for her to eat, of course. So she should have a nice full little belly now, and that is her last one. So yeah, good to know that she's got a good meal, you know, because it'll be another few odd weeks before Maya's going to decide she'll eat again. So yeah, I'm glad she's eating them anyway. So for me, that's the main thing, that she's eating something. And Lily is just swallowing that one down. So it's pretty dark in here, guys, but I will grab Lily her next one and take it over to her. And these are, you know, the click and lock. So there's no dropping this one and getting it to Lily. I'm just not actually holding it properly at this particular point. She knows there's another one ready and waiting for her. Oh no, no, no. Not Mum's hand, silly Billy. Not Mum's hand. Well, she just saw the hand on the glass, so You're right. Gee, you nearly swallow that halfway. Don't you? Yep, she says. Saves me having to swallow it all. It's halfway down my throat anyway, Mum. Hey? I don't know, Lily. I can see you. Sure you can see me. She says, yep, it's you and that camera. Always you and that camera. Wow, that's going to be gone before I know it. So, I'll click off here and I'll just come back when it's pretty much down to her last one and the end of her feeding tonight. And then of course it's children eating. The cats are being fed, and then after the children it'll be the dogs. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much down the hatch already for Lil. My goodness. That's just a little morsel, isn't it, really? Those mouse, guys. Those mice are just morsels. Alright. Turn this off and head to the kitchen to grab another one, because Lily likes her mice to be kept warm. She doesn't like them getting chilly at all. Well, that's it for Lily. She's had her last one, so she's already moved on up under her heat. And of course, it's time to look at digesting. Well, not digesting, but getting herself in a nice warm spot to let those mice start to digest, I guess it is, in a way. So guys, yeah, Amaya and Maya had her feed tonight, and of course Lily has eaten 8 mice, which should do her fine. I'm not really letting Lily go any more than between 7 and 10 days at the moment. Eating mice, I could make her meals probably a bit bigger, make her go a little bit longer. We'll see. But she seems to be quite content on, eating anywhere between the 7 and 10 days at the moment. I kind of just watch her. It's all about observation, guys, and pretty much knowing your snakes, and when they're indicating they're hungry versus I just want to come on out. Behaviour kind of is a little bit different, although with Lily, she'd have happily come out, but I know that she was happy to take her meal tonight. So guys, thank you very much for watching. You take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes, and of course, as I go up here, because it's all your animals. Ciao.